To begin installation, firmly seat OD tubing into the isolation valve on the flow body. Seat the other end of the tubing into the fitting in the basin of the Fluidics manager. Begin drilling the first screw once tubing is secure and Fluidics manager is at proper distance. Before drilling in the second screw, take some time to ensure the manager is level with a small bubble level. To finish this installation, carefully continue drilling in the second and third screw. As a precaution, check workmanship before putting away installation tools.